Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bravo on Roku TV instant guide step by step clearly. To activate Bravo on your Roku TV, start by turning on your Roku device. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Go to the Roku home screen by pressing the home button on your remote. Navigate to the streaming channels option in the left menu. Select the search channels option at the top of the screen. Type in Bravo using the on-screen keyboard. Once Bravo appears in the search results, select it. Click on the Add Channel button to install the app. Wait for the installation to complete, then select OK to return to the channel list. Now, find Bravo in your list of installed channels and open it. You will see an option to sign in or activate. Choose the activation option, and a code will appear on your screen. Using a computer or smartphone, go to the Bravo activation website. Enter the code displayed on your Roku TV. Sign in with your cable provider credentials if prompted. After signing in, your Roku TV will refresh and activate the Bravo channel. You are now ready to enjoy all that Bravo has to offer on your Roku TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.